So, first fold it in half so it gets to the centre. You can do it, you don't have to go to the centre, but I prefer the centre. Then, open it to the next one.
Why are they big?
Then,
Is that deep, Dad?
Recording.
then just flatten it out. Then fold one corner of the paper so it goes.
I'm looking at the TV. People are going to have to watch this.
Then, so it becomes symmetrical, do fold the other corner. Then, the line. First, cut the first corner, fold it over again.
Move your hands.
Then, just like that. Then, fold it in half so it makes a diagonal. Then, fold it again, the other side, and fold it again. Should become symmetrical. It's very rarely I succeeded in making it symmetrical. So, you can see you made one right here. If you would like, you could keep it like this or fold the sides. I prefer to fold the sides. This is Ibrahim Ali 65 and I have just made a paper aeroplane.
Bye! So stop it now.